It sounds like thousands and thousands of crickets chirping in my ears. I start out in the morning and I don't hear it very much, but as the day goes on, it gets worse. It gets worse and worse. It gets louder and louder. For 25 years, I've been dealing with tinnitus, and I didn't realize that there was a solution. When I first started using this product, I was very skeptical because I was convinced that there wasn't anything that would work. And after having the product fine-tuned to my need, to meet my needs, then I realized that there's something that really can help dealing with tinnitus on a daily basis. When I wear this product, it makes me feel more present, more attentive. I think the biggest success story is with my grandchildren. They have high, squeaky voices because they're 5 and 2. I was constantly saying, now, Nana can't hear, so speak loudly. When I have the hearing product in, I can hear their voices and I don't have to have them repeat. So it makes me feel more a part of life.